Hey there, what's up, and welcome back to Code with Nanjula. This is the fourth video in our Java lesson series, and today we are diving into a fundamental concept in programming. That's variables. So if you are ready to level up your coding skills, let's get started. First thing first, what is exactly variable in Java? Simply a variable that can hold data which can be changed during the execution of the program. Think of it like a storage box with a label. You can put something inside the box and later you can replace it with something else. In Java, we need to declare a variable before we can use it. Declaring a variable involves specifying the variable's type and its name. Let's jump into the code to see how this works. Here we are declaring a simple variable. Let's create an integer variable called my number. So first of all, you have to give the data type. Data type is int, and after that you have to give the name of the variable my number, and after that don't forget semicolon. So that's the declaration of the variable. This int keyword specifies that this variable will hold an integer. My number is the name we are given into this variable. Right now, my number doesn't have any value assigned to it. Let's assign it a value. My number equal 10 and semicolon. Now, my number holds the value 10. We can also declare and initialize a variable in a one line like this. Int my number equal 10 and semicolon. So this is the declaring and initialize a variable in a one line. Easy, right? But variables are not just limited to integers. We can have variables of different types such as double for decimal numbers, char for characters, and string for text. Like this example, my double equal to 5.99 and semicolon char, my char equal to 8 character and semicolon, and string, my string equal hello world. So here my double is a double variable holding value 5.99. My char is a char variable holding the character a, and my string is a variable holding the text hello world. One important thing to remember is that the name of the variable should be meaningful and describe the data it holds. This makes your code more readable and easier to understand. Let's see a quick example. We are use variable in a simple program. We'll create program that calculate the sum of the two numbers and print the result. In here, we already discussed in our earlier how to create a class and how to create the main method. In this program, we have three integer variables, num1, num2, and sum. We assign value to num1 and num2, then we add them together and store the result in sum. Finally, we print the result using system.out.println. And that's the quick introduction to variables in Java. Remember, variables are the essential building block in your program. Practice declaring and using different types of variables, and you'll soon got to hang on. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you're never going to miss our new videos. In our next video, we will dive deep into the data types. So stay tuned. Happy coding and peace.